Hi guys, and this is how you make the perfect thumbnail. Obviously, this is the thumbnail for this video. And yeah, this is all you need to do for a perfect thumbnail. Also, I see a lot of other YouTubers' videos in my recommended page with this type of style. So, yeah. I might actually move it closer to make it look like he's looking directly at it or something. Like right there. Yeah, like right there is like perfect. I guess this will go like on my gaming channel. It could go on my editing channel, but I might just post this on my editing channel. Anyway, bye.